All right. So, a family that works out together stays together. This is the after effect of our ride. Say hi. He's not too happy. Looky, say hi. Hey. This is the hubby loading up the bikes back in the car. We're missing one. He is totally in the car sucking up the AC right now. But what are you guys up to? How you keeping healthy? How you keeping active? How you keeping busy? Excited to just jump on and check in with everyone. What's up? What you pointing to?
He was over there.
Oh, we got one that's still riding around. But just wanted to jump on. Today was a super hot day. I had to kind of wipe off some of the sweat before I turned on this camera just for you guys. But
yeah, put that in the recycling.
Always excited to be able to do things together as a family. Yeah, my hair is a mess.com. I literally just took it out of the ponytail holder and I gotta put it back in there. But so this is us on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. Whew. Okay, let me just kind of catch my breath really quickly. But what did I want to share with everyone? So my message for today is just like my shirt says, just do it, right? Whatever it is that you've been procrastinating about, whatever it is that you say you want to do, the only way to actually accomplish it is to just be in action and just do it. So that is my message for today. Just do it. And when you don't want to do it again, just do it again. Keep doing it again until you're at the point where it's just a part of your lifestyle, right? Like I can even tell you guys, I was kind of like, do I really want to go on a bike ride today? But I'm like, nope, just do it. Just do it. And I had to put the shirt on today to remind myself to just do it. So that's my message for everyone today. Hope you're having a fantastic day. For those of you that want to know, like, how can I do it, right? Like, how can I run a business, homeschool my 3 boys, raise my boys, be very active in my community, all do it all at the same time while also maintaining a happy marriage? I just created a new case study video that you can check out. You can go to my website, workwithnadine.com, and check it out for yourself. Have a phenomenal day. Again, that website is workwithnadine.com. Take care and God bless.